London broil. And the London broil is the part of the meat that is in the muscle area of the cow or the buffalo or bison, like we call them in America. So you have to make sure you cook it in a certain way so it becomes tender, because typically it's not a tender type of meat due to the muscle. The challenge with bison is that bison is already a very lean meat, much leaner than beef. Therefore, I'm going to show you a cooking technique to ensure that it doesn't become chewy and too hard. I'm going to make it tender. And remember, if I can cook it, so can you. So go nowhere. Let's create. For the bison London broil, in addition to this beautiful piece of meat that you have here, you're going to need some basic ingredients. Make sure you have some salt, no matter what type of salt. You have some vinegar, and I'm going with the apple cider, and you have some sort of oil or fat. Traditionally, I would say extra virgin olive oil, but for this one, I'm going to go with duck fat that render. Link in the description or how to render this delicious fat. I've had this for over a year now. This is how long it lasts you, way over a year. And in addition to that, you're going to need something to make some sort of delicious dip or sauce. Make sure you have some soy sauce. I said malt vinegar. Have some mirin. And if you want to, some sesame oil. I'm going to show you how to prepare this. Very easy. Here's the bison. So I want to put a little bit of salt, and I'm not going to do this overnight, although you can. But if you do it overnight, you apply a different technique, okay? This is when you want to cook it like now. Make sure the meat is at room temperature, at least 30 minutes outside the refrigerator. See how soft? I did pat it dry earlier. Just put that salt. The salt helps, by the way. Look at this beauty. I'm not even going to bother with pepper. I like to enjoy the bison taste. So I'm preheating a pan. You can use any type. You can go with cast iron if you want to, but I'm using a big one here. Put a couple tablespoons of vinegar. Vinegar is going to be key. Medium high heat. And I like to start adding the duck fat now. If it starts acting out, just move it off for a little bit. But you want this baby to melt. And now you're going to bring your bison and carefully put it in there. Medium high. Let's say cook it for about the first side. Let's make it 2.5 minutes, and then we take it from there, okay? About 3 minutes later, flip it. Look at this beauty. Then let it cook for about somewhere between 1.5 minutes to 2. Just keep an eye. Look at this beauty. Time to put it to rest, okay? Let it rest for at least 5 to maybe even 8-10 minutes, okay? So I have a quarter of a cup of the malt vinegar, quarter of a cup of mirin, quarter of a cup of the soy sauce, and I'm going to use a few drops of the sesame oil. It's very simple. So I have this cup here where I'm going to put everything. Let's start with the malt vinegar, soy sauce, mirin. I'm going to mix them up. Going to add a little bit of the sesame oil, few drops. Just a few drops, by the way. You don't go crazy. Mix it up again. You can add, if you want to, some caraway seeds. This is optional, by the way. Just a few. Give some aromatics. You can give it a taste. That is good. And that's it.